To start using Zelle, you need to have a bank account in the United States and a mobile device with internet access. First, check if your bank or credit union is a Zelle partner, as this will make the process easier. You can do this by visiting the Zelle website and using their lookup tool. Once you have confirmed that your bank is a partner, you can enroll in Zelle through your bank's mobile app or website. If your bank is not a partner, you can still use Zelle by downloading the Zelle app and enrolling with a debit card. To enroll, you will need to provide some basic information, including your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to create a password and agree to the terms of service. After enrolling, you will receive a verification code to confirm your identity. After verifying your identity, you can start using Zelle to send and receive money. To send money, simply enter the recipient's email address or phone number, the amount you want to send, and a brief description of the transaction. You can also request money from others using Zelle. It is essential to note that Zelle transactions are typically completed within minutes, and the money is directly transferred from one bank account to another. This makes Zelle a fast and secure way to send and receive money. When using Zelle, it is crucial to follow best practices to ensure your transactions are secure. Always verify the recipient's information before sending money, and never send money to someone you do not know. Additionally, keep your Zelle password and account information confidential to prevent unauthorized access. By following these steps and best practices, you can start using Zelle to send and receive money quickly and securely. Remember to always review your transactions carefully and report any suspicious activity to your bank or Zelle support.